Oh yeah. Boom! I call this my imposter KFC chicken burger. On my channel, check out under the playlist, you're gonna see I did a live and I cooked these live. Used cornflakes for the coating, a lot of great spices. Like I say, an imposter KFC chicken burger. I know the flavor in here is fantastic. Be sure to check that easy recipe out. Also check out the easy recipe for I call them Brioche Brick Buns. These right here, a fresh, warm, toasty, tasty bun. It's fantastic with this chicken burger. Let's do this. It's gonna be so good. I know it's gonna be so good. Let's do it. Look at this burger. Look. Boom. I love this Chipotle hot sauce. The heck, man. Oh. Hey, now it's working. No. Like, what is this? I could piss faster than these drops come out. Like, seriously? Come on. Come on, you give me a drop. Am I doing something wrong? Come on, a guy just wants his Chipotle. It's got to come out faster than that.